Good morning, all of you. Am I audible to all? Good morning. Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Thank you so much, sir. Good morning, respected chairman, sir, director, sir, guests, faculty members, and my dear students. Welcome you all to the fourth day of our workshop that is Next Generation AI Tools for Research, Teaching, Productivity, Data Analytics, and Intelligent Automation. It is my privilege to introduce our today's speaker, Mrs. Soma Mitra, the respected head of the MBA Department of InterScience Institute of Management and Technology, Bhubaneswar. Welcome, ma'am.
Namaste, namaste.
Mrs. Soma Mitra is well known for her academic excellence and commitment to innovation. She has always inspired students and faculty to embrace emerging technology in education and research. Today, she will guide us through two exciting AI platforms, that is Julius AI and Wispr Flow AI. These tools are helping users in simplified data analysis, automate routine tasks, data-driven decision, opening new possibilities for researchers, educators, and professionals alike. We are fortunate to have her share her knowledge and practical insights with us. I am sure today's session will be informative, engaging, and highly beneficial for everyone present. Now, with great pleasure, let's welcome Mrs. Soma Mitra. Madam, now the podium is always yours, so please continue.
Thank you, madam. Thank you, Madam Ankita, for giving us an introduction, a platform where we would be exploring AI tools. Today, on day 4 of this AI tools, what we are going to explore and how we are going to explore, we would be coming across all this perspective. But before going deep into the AI tools aspect, let me now bring in front of you why we thought to bring this workshop to the complete society and to the complete community of students, researchers, and all. We have started this journey of AI long back, as during the day 1 you might have came across that our respected chairman, Professor Dr. Shrikant Patnaik, had given you a glimpse that how AI had been introduced to in InterScience Institute of Management and Technology. Being a data scientist in the field of computer science and a researcher of artificial intelligence, Professor Shrikant Patnaik has guided each one of us that how we can explore this field. We have started this journey first in the year 2012. If I am right, during the year 2012, we have started first with this AI conference, which is named as Artificial Intelligence and its future scope. In the year 2012, we haven't got that good response, but later in the year 2020, we have went out with a very immense, great objective about this conference named as Artificial Intelligence for the Future Society, where lots of such scope had been explored about artificial intelligence by the researchers, by the scholars, and also from various fields of industry. They have given their full support to this conference named as Artificial Intelligence for Future Society. So keeping all those things in mind, in InterScience Institute of Management and Technology, we have started this process of artificial intelligence for future society. Now, let me bring in front of you what we are going to explore and how we are going to explore. So please let me know if my screen is visible to all of you or not. Do my screen is visible to all of you? Can anyone give me a response?
Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
Thank you, sir. So, in the 6 days workshop on next generation AI tools for research, technology, teaching, productivity, data analytics, and intelligent automation, let me now give you a recap of all these 3 days. Day one, we have inaugurated the session, and Professor Dr. Srikanth Patnaik had given us a glimpse that how and where from this artificial intelligence had came into existence. He had given us a complete overview of artificial intelligence. He had let us know that how AI is having a positive and a negative side, and how whether AI is good for us, whether we are moving ahead, or sometimes it is becoming too personal and it interferes in our personal matters. Day two. During day two, we have explored two important tools from Mr. Alok Arun, and these two tools were Notebook LM and Stitch with Google, where Mr. Alok Harun had given us an idea that how Notebook LM is important for research, for teaching, and how we can use it. Even if he had given us an idea about Stitch with Google, where he had said, he had given us an overview that nowadays it is not required that you should have the coding knowledge to build a website or to design an app. You need to know a good prompt. You need to know how to give a prompt in order to design a website or a mobile app. During day three, Dr. Vishwaranjan Das had given us an idea that how we have started this journey from knowledge to intelligence, and he had given us a complete overview and impact of artificial intelligence. He had explored two tools in front of us. They are plot and dispatch mode of plot. Today, in day three, day four, what we are going to explore. Day four, I will first start the session, and I am taking you many decades back. And where I am going to take you? I am going to take you to the point while we don't have something named as computers. While we don't have something named as computer, and something, a very new thing, people came to know that computer had came to an existence. Many people are having different ideas in front of them. Some say that computer, when there is a new thing in the society, suddenly people have various types of aspects. Somebody say that computer is going to take job of human being. We would be completely jobless if computerization would be there in the society. Some had, even if has lots of myths started to came that people who doesn't have knowledge of computer need to be jobless. But what had happened? The happening was as such that only those people who are having good good hand-ons on computers were in a very good position with a handsome salary. They all are there, and it had made the complete society learn about something which is named as computer. So computer has turned not to be a complete aspect of curse for the society. Rather, it had become a boon to the society. Why I am speaking to you all these things? Because while artificial intelligence had came into existence and artificial intelligence had came to the society, now also people are having many such things in their mind that artificial intelligence, AI, is going to take the job. Every day you might be coming across some such news, maybe in your mobile or maybe in your news, that AI is going to take lots of jobs. But again, it's a myth. How it's a myth and what AI is going to do, let's now. AI tools are transforming the way we learn, research, teach, and work by making complex tasks faster and more efficient. I do request all the participants, can you please mute your mics? Otherwise, this workshop is having no meaning. Please make your mics mute. So AI is not only going to bring new opportunities for the present generation, rather it's going to bring lots of such exposure to the society. AI is going to provide new aspect to the society, such as from content creation to data analysis to automation and decision making. AI is going to empower each one of us with lots of aspects. AI is going to reduce human efforts. Instead of starting from the scratch, now due to AI, we have something from which we can take it to the next level. AI tools are going to enhance our creativity, improve productivity, and support smarter and data-driven solutions across every industry. It might be health, it might be industry, it might be any of the applications oriented. By learning this use of AI, we can become responsible and we can effectively prepare ourselves for the future society. Now, about our session, if I will speak. So, in all the sessions of this 6 days workshop, we will make you understand the capabilities, the practical application of modern AI tools across different domains. We will make you enhance your productivity, your creativity, your decision making through various AI powered tools. Along with that, we will even try to give you an hand-on various AI tools which will help you for research, for your teaching methodology, and along with that, the communication in the data analysis. As now I'm going to take you a bit forward. As you can find out in our 6-day workshop, there's a point which we have given emphasis, that is data analytics. Today, I'm going to say to you that how you can analyze your data through AI tools. So here I introduce in front of you Julius AI, an intelligent AI tool, and what it's going to do. It is having the aspect of data visualization, data analysis, and decision making support. Julius AI. Julius AI is an advanced AI powered data analysis platform. Before I give you about this Julius AI, let me first tell you about data. As you all would be accepting this aspect, that data plays a very important role in today's generation. Data are sold, data are purchased. But whether you are purchasing the correct data, whether the data which are sold are the correct data, and again, while you are purchasing or while somebody is selling the data, it needs to be analyzed. You should know that whether you have purchased the right data or whether whatever you have downloaded from your internet, maybe from any of the sources, whether it's the right analysis whether the data are the correct one, or you need to rethink about it. Now, the point is that if all this data analysis might have been done or would be done, because previously this complete data analysis was done by someone whom we named as a data analyst. Why this AI concept had came also, and again the AI powered tools with data analysis came, people were even if having this concept in their mind that data analysis means AI powered data analysis is going to take all jobs of data analyst. People who are working in the platform of data analytics are going to lose their job. All these myths were also there in the mind of people. So today I am going to bring in front of you that no people who are working in the field of data analytics are going to lose their job. Rather, this AI powered data analysis platform is going to simplify their work, is going to make their work easy. So here this Julius AI is coming into picture. Julius AI is an tool which is designed to simplify complex data workflows. It enables user to upload data sheets, ask questions in natural language. I hope by this time in day 4 of the workshop, you might be very much clear about natural language processing. Natural language processing is, now I'm just giving you a glimpse, a basic about natural language processing. Natural language processing is a tool through which you can give the command in any of the languages. It will understand, it will generate, and it will recreate your complete language, and it will make you connect with the computerization system, and it will give you a result, an analysis. So, with the help of this natural language, you can get instantly or receive instantly an insight about data's visualization, and actionable recommendation without requiring any coding knowledge. You don't need to be an expert in coding, maybe in Java, maybe in Python, maybe in HTML. You need not be an expert in the field of coding. Without having a coding knowledge also, you can explore this data analysis through the tool named as Julius AI. Julius AI is going to bridge the gap between raw data and strategic decision making for business process, for research, and also for the teaching methodology. Now, why you should use Julius AI? Because Julius AI is going to simplify the complex data, the task of this hectic task of this data analysis, which human beings used to take, means a data analyst used to take a lot of time, lots of pressure, need to explore many time, and need to give lots of time to work out on it. Julius AI is just going to simplify your task. It will simplify your task by the use of the analyzing the data. It empowers the user to analyze the data sheet, generate visualization, derive actionable insights through various intuitive conversational AI, saving time and enhance decision making accuracy. Now, I'm giving emphasis to the term decision making accuracy and the word saving time. Now, before this AI tool had came, what happens? A data analyst needs to give lots of time in analyzing the data, then taking and then making a decision, and then converting the decision to a visualization format, which might be in a form of a graph, might be a pie chart, might be a bar graph. We need to convert it, the complete decision, to that form. However, with the help of this AI tool, it will save your time, because only by giving the data to this tool, it will analyze the complete data and it will help you to take a decision. But here, I would like to emphasize one point in front of you, that decision. I would request the participant to please mute your mic, so that we can make the session, make this workshop fruitful. Please mute your mic. Now, with the help of this AI, are going to save the time. How? If the time will be saved, because the complete decision for taking the decision, this AI tool is going to help you. You need to upload the Excel, you need to upload the data, and the data would be converted to be used as a decision. How we will go out from here. I would request the participant to please mute your mic. If you are having some other work, you can leave the session. So now let's see why this name Julius has been given. Why this term Julius has been given to this AI tool named as Julius AI. So the term Julius Caesar is a very common aspect to all of us. We know Julius Caesar as a Roman leader who is basically known for his strategic thinking, for his leadership, and his decision-making approach. Keeping these three things in mind, that is strategic thinking, leadership, and decisive action, the name Julius has been given to this tool named as Julius AI. So although the company has not officially declared all this aspect, that's why this name Julius has been given, but as Julius Caesar is being completely known for his strategic thinking, leadership, and decision making, thus this tool is named as Julius, which helps us to understand data, to generate insight, to create visualization, and to automate complex analytical tasks using simple natural language prompts. So what are the key features of this tools are? The first important thing is that it is having natural language processing through NLP. Means only by giving commands in any of the languages in a common language, you can get the analysis of your data. It is an automated analysis process in which you need to just look out for uploading your data, and you'll be getting down the analysis of your data. It will give you a smart visualization. The smart visualization is in the form of, as I was speaking to you, maybe in the form of a bar chart, maybe in the form of a pie chart. The complete visualization would be available right now. It is a tool which will give you a predictive insight. It will help you for the decision making. It will predict the analysis. It will give you the result. And again, here I am emphasizing the word predictive insight. Here, I would like to say that
project management
is just going to give you the predictive insight, Rather, I would request the participant to please mute your mic. Please mute your mic or please leave the session. Participants, please mute your mic. If participants want to be there in the session, please be there, or please you can leave the session.
Excuse me, someone microphone is on. Please mute this. Hello? Please, sir, mute your microphone.
Participants, please mute your mic. Or you can leave the session. Whichever you are feeling, please you can leave the session. Participants, please mute your mic.
Hello, am I audible? Hello. So I request one KEC DPK CSC. One of the name is KEC DPK CSC. His mic is on. Please switch off. KEC DPK. KEC DPK CSC. The name is KEC DPK CSC. Please mute your mic. Creating noise. Please, KEC, one name is found over here. KEC DPK CSC. Who is KEC DPK CSC? His mic is on. Please switch off. Nandan Behra, Omina Beg. Nandan, one of another attendee is Nandan Behra. His mic also on. Please switch off. Please mute your mic. One name is KEC DPK CSC, another name is Nandan Behra. Please mute your mic. Oh. Sir, please. KEC DPK CSC, Nandan Behra.
If you want, you can even leave the session. Please mute your mic.
So what to do? KEC
Sir,
DPK,
please mute your
KEC
microphone,
DPK
sir.
CSC. So one is Biswajit Sahu, another is KEC DPK CSC, another attendee is Nandan Behra. Please mute your mic.
Hello, am I audible? Can anyone give me a response?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
you're
madam, you are
audible.
audible.
Thank you.
Audible, you are audible.
Please let me know if my screen is visible to all of you. Is my screen is visible? Can anyone give me a response?
Yes, madam, your screen is visible.
Thank you. So there was an interruption. I do regret for the interruption from the entire team that due to certain noise issue, we have to stop in between the session. So we were resuming back Julius AI, which I was discussing with you, and I was on the point about predictive insight. Julius AI, as I was speaking to you, is having a predictive insight. I am emphasizing again the term predictive insight. Why it is a predictive insight? It will help the community to predict. It will help us, the data analyst, to give a prediction. The most important thing about data analysis is giving a prediction. If you are a data analyst, you should be having the concept of predicting the data for the future, predicting the data for next 2 years. What would happen to the sales target of a company for next 2 years if an analyst is going to predict? Then only we say the analyst as a perfect one. So Julius AI, with this tool, it helps you in the prediction. Again, I would bring it to the notice that the prediction level of this Julius AI is 0.025%. And why this 0.025% is there? Because if always remember, AI tools are governed, are moderated by humanity. Once Julius AI will give you the prediction of the complete data sheet, now it's the task of human being that they will convert, they will moderate the analysis, and then they will go out for utilizing. So here I am bringing in front of you the core components of this Julius AI. Point number one, the first important component is AI powered data understanding. As I said, Julius AI is completely for data analysts. It helps everyone, starting from teaching to researchers to every community, to analyze the data. Next, the thing is that it uses the natural language interface. So any question which were asked in plain English or any of the languages can get accurate answer, just like talking to a data expert. Point number three, it helps for smart data analysis. It will analyze your data. As I have started my talk with the point of data collections and data processing. So the data which you will give to this AI tool, it performs the task of converting this complex data into a statistical analysis, into correlation, into regression, and for a proper classification. Next, it also helps to give you an advanced data visualization. Data, if you will give the complete analysis in the form of an Excel, it would be boring, it would be completely not understandable for the person who would be utilizing the data to interpret it. Thus, it helps you to make the data in the form of a visualization. Because remember, as per humans, aspect is there, whatever we see in a colorful, in a chart format, it is easier for us to understand. So it helps us to get the data visualization through interactive chats, charts, and through dashboards, which helps us to turn data into a meaningful concept. Next, now the very important thing I would like to bring in front of you is that many people would be having by this time a query in their mind that, madam, if I am giving data to an AI tool, do my data are saved? My data will remain saved if I'm giving my personal data, maybe of my company, or maybe of my college, or maybe of my personal aspect, maybe of my bank details to an AI tool. Is it safe, madam? Yes, it is safe. I will now bring it in front of you. Yes, your data are saved because this tool is having a self-cleaning process. The data would be clean and would be prepared accordingly. Once you give the data, it will remain saved only with your login inside your login AI tool. And it even if cleans the data, it transforms the structure your data automatically will have, and it will have provide you a high quality analysis. Point number 6, multi-file and multi-format support. Now the point would be there, that the question might be there in your mind, that madam, how I will give the data to this AI tool? How I will insert the data to this tool? You will insert the data through a CSV file, maybe an Excel sheet, maybe through Google Sheet, or might be through SQL or JSON or any of the Excel formats. Now the point is that the code generation and the insight, it will generate the Python code for productivity and for producibility, and offers actionable insight and summarize automatically. Now, let me first process in front of you that Julius AI basically use the Python codes. But about this, don't think that you need to know Python. You need to have the knowledge of Python if you want to use Julius AI. No, you may not be having the knowledge of Python, but the backend, in the backend, Julius AI, this tool is using the Python. You will give the command in simple English, but through Python code, it's used to go out for analyzing the data. So don't have a misconception that you need to know Python in order to use Julius AI. Not like that. Now, next point, it export, share, and integrates the data. Once you give your command, you give your command prompt to this AI tool, and you upload your Excel or CSV file, it will go out for analyzing the data through a backend code named as Python, and then it will bring in front of you what? It will bring in front of you a report, an analysis. The analysis is in the form, as per your command. If you require the analysis in the form of a chart, it will give you a chart. If you require that only an result in the form of a report, it will give you the report. So this, in this complete format, in this complete aspect, this Julius AI works. Now, I'm going to give you how and what would be the process, the flow, the pipeline would be like. First, you need to give the prompt. You need to write the prompt in the simple English. You will upload the data sheet. You will ask the question that what you require, whether you require only the report analysis, or you require a visualization in the form of a chart, a pie chart, a bar graph. Then AI will start processing. AI will start processing your request. As soon as AI will start processing your request, as I said you, in the backend of this tool, the Python code will start processing. As soon as this AI process, this Python code start processing, then it will generate an insight. It will give you a decision. The analysis would be there, done. And after making out the decision and the analysis, the result, as I said, the result would be as per your requirement. If you have given the command that you require the analysis in the form of a report, maybe in a form of a CSV or in a form of an Excel file, it will give you that CSV or Excel file. If you have given the command that no, you require the complete analysis in the form of a smart visualization, might be in the form of an interactive pie chart or an interactive bar graph, then that will even it can be generated. So this is how this Julius AI works. Now I'm bringing in front of you the data analysis feature of this Julius AI. So first, the foremost thing is that you ask the question, and you ask the question in plain English. You will use only your basic English language you will use to give the prompt. And as I was coming across, I was following this workshop for a couple of days, for the 3 days. Once in day 2 or day 3, somebody was asking about this prompt, that madam or so, in which way we will be giving the prompt. You can give the prompt in simple English. So you will give the prompt in simple English, then it will give you an instant insight. It will get you quick summarization, key trends, patterns, and outliers without writing any code. You don't have to write any code. As I said, you don't have to have any type of coding knowledge. Next, you can go out for powerful visualization. The visualization, as you can see in front of you, it might be in the form of a bar graph, pie chart, whichever form you require the visualization might be. Next, it will give you an advanced data analysis. The analysis of your complete data would be done in a statistical format. It will analyze your data. Next, as I have said you, their data cleaning is done. Once you give the data and it processes it and you give the results, the complete sheet which you have exported or you have imported, you have uploaded in the AI tool would be cleaned automatically. You don't have to worry for it that your data are in risk. Next, it will give you a multiple data source. You can upload the data in any of the format, as I have already discussed with you. The thing is that you can upload it in an Excel format, in a CSV file, in a Google Sheet, in whichever format you want. Next, you can export whatever you have uploaded and you want to know the result of your analysis. Yes, you can export the file. You can get the result. You can export the charts, you can export the dashboard, and the reports would be there easily in front of you. Next, it is a reproducible analysis. The word reproducible is coming because you might have, by this time, you might have, many of you, I hope you all are using chat GPTs and most of the AI tools. If you have visualized, if you have checked it properly, you might have find out nowadays in chat GPT also, at the end of chat GPT, there is something written that chat GPT might make some mistake. ChatGPT may also have error. So here comes the role of human being. Human being is the moderator. Human being is the moderator for whatever input they have given and whatever output result they are getting, they can moderate the result. They can analyze, they can even if make some changes in the result. So Julius AI in the similar manner will give you the result, will give you the analysis, but here comes the point that you need to interpret. You can even if make the moderation. As I have already mentioned, the prediction is 0.025. If as a data analyst, by working in the field of data analyst for a longer period, you have experience, you can moderate, you can change the concept. And now the question might be there that why? If I have to make changes, then why should I use this Julius AI tool? Because Julius AI will help you to give you a platform in which you can make changes. You can go out for updating it. Instead of starting from the scratch, you have something in front of you which you can moderate, which you can make changes. So this is about the reproducible analysis. And at the end, it is an AI powered assistance which will smartly give you suggestions, give you follow-up questions, and will give you recommendations. Thus, it's the most important thing that AI, again I repeat, AI is a powered assistance. It is only an assistance which will give you suggestions, which will give you, as I said, it will give you a platform. It will give you suggestions, which you can go out for follow-up, you can go out for questionnaires, and it will act as a recommendation tool for you. Next. Now, how the visualization would be there in this tool? The visualizations would be there in the form of a bar chart, might be in the form of a line chart, as per your command. If you have given the command that you require a bar chart, it will provide you a bar chart. If you say that you require the answer, the visualization in the form of a line chart, it will give you a line chart. Maybe pie chart, maybe a scattered points, maybe a heat map, maybe an interactive dashboard. So all these things are possible with the help of Julius AI. Next, decision-making support. Julius AI helps you in decision making. It acts as a powerful decision maker with AI-driven recommendation, with scenario analysis, and certainly, which I have discussed a number of times with you, that is a predictive modeling transformation. Raw data which you will give to this tool, it will transform it into an predictive actionable format. The data into the raw data would be converted into a clear actionable strategy for smarter, faster, and more confident business, teaching, research, decision making. So now, here are certain examples, practical examples where this Julius AI works. If you give a sales data analysis to this tool, it will even if give you the complete analysis of a month, the analysis, the revenue analysis of the company or an industry for a month, for a week. So previously what happened, no, there need to be a person named as a data analyst who need to do lots of tasks, analyzing what had happened in the last week, then the next week, how the data, how the graph has been, whether the revenue has been increasing or in a decreasing format. There need to be a person who need to monitor all these things. So this tool is going to reduce this hectic task. So no formulas or no codings are required. Only through plain English you can do it. Even if we have time, if time permits, I will show you some demonstration related to this. Next, it will even if help you for financial forecasting, the most important aspect. For financial analysis, this tool plays a very important role. Now, I'm directly talking to all researchers, to all people who have joined from the educational societies and all. By this time, there's a aspect that now you might have find out in, if I'm speaking to the educational society peoples. Now it's the period of admissions. Can anyone give me a response? Am I correct? Now it's the period of admissions in all the educational societies, in all the educational sectors. Am I right? Yes, please. Can I get a response? Yes. Can I get a response? That now it's the time of admissions in many of the colleges and many of the sectors of education. So now there's a point in front of the society, that in front of the community, educational community, they want to know that whether their admission is as per the last year, it has increased, it has decreased, and what is their revenue status. Last year, as per 24-25, as per their revenue, the revenue is the same or the revenue has increased. They want to know all this. So if this question would be asked, then in this point also, this Julius AI tool is going to help you out. If you will upload the last year financial data to this tool, and you will ask that presently till this month, means let us consider till the month of July, this is the status of admission. What would be the revenue? Can you predict what would be the revenue for the next year? That means for the year 2026 to 27. It will give you a predictive analysis. And again, I'm giving emphasis to the point, it's a predictive analysis. So in financial forecasting also, this Julius AI tool is going to help you out. It will act as a financial analyst, which will help you to import data sheets, query trains using natural language, and generate accurate projection, streamlining the entire creativity workflow with intelligent automations. Now, in industries also, this Julius AI plays a very important role, starting from the industry of finance, banking to healthcare. In healthcare also plays an important aspect. In healthcare, how it plays an important aspect? Because it will help the sector to go out for patient data analysis, hospital performance tracking, disease strain and pattern analysis. So if think for a while, if during the time of COVID, we might have this tool with us, we might, the complete community of healthcare, for them, it might be a boom. How? Because they might have predicted that this disease may strike the country. So this is a quick analysis. This disease strain pattern analysis is being done with the help of this Julius AI tool in the healthcare sector. It even helps in the retail and e-commerce sector, from customer behavior analysis to sales trend and demand forecasting to market basket analysis. All these things can be done with this tool named as Julius AI. It even helps in the sector of manufacturing for producing data analysis, for quality control and defect analysis, and for predictive maintenance. It helps the educational society also. For, let us consider, if you want to analyze the student performance, for the batch of 24-25, you want to analyze the student performance of BTech Computer Science, BTech AI ML. Yes, you can do it. You can do it through this Julius AI tools. You need to upload the student's mark in the form of an Excel sheet, and you can analyze the data. It is a boon for the educational society, for all us, for all of us, for all educators. You can get the complete analysis of a student through it. It even helps in the learning outcome evaluation. It will help you for institutional research. If let us consider your institute is having a group of researchers, a group of PhD scholars, it will even help them to analyze the data. Next, it helps the marketing and the sales society, which I have already shown you through sales forecasting. I'm directly now moving to the logistic and transportation. In the logistic and transportation, it acts as a route and delivery optimization way. It can help you with this AI tool. It will help you for demand and supply forecasting. It will forecast your supply and demand. It will give you the cost and fuel analysis also. Now, let us consider in the market of logistic and transportation, you want to know that if you will transport some product from, let us consider from Odisha to Bangalore or to Mangalore, as per the cost of the product, are you spending more in logistics? For analyzing this, at that moment, you may require a data analyst. A person would be sitting or be calculating, maybe finding out that whether it's a profit or whether it's a loss, what will happen if they will transport or not. But this Julius AI will help you to do it in a fraction of seconds. Next, it even if help this energy and utilities section. It helps the energies and utilities section to how to load to find out the load forecasting, the outrage prediction. Now, if there is an power failure, there's a power breakdown in a particular sector. Now, before the power breakdown, you might be knowing there is something in a complete system which is used to go out for energy consumption analysis. They find out the energy consumption analysis. That let us consider in a particular society, you have a load support which is finding out that how much energy is being consumed in that particular society. Now, after the overload is there, if there's an overload is there in the society, there is chances, many chances, huge chance of outrage. There would be a chance of power failure. There would be a chance of power breakdown. So before this power breakdown occur, you can have the analysis. You can have the analysis if the load is more, then what would be the next step taken. So this tool even if help you to do that. Even if in the government and public sector, it acts as an important aspect. It helps for the policy impact analysis, for budget and expenditure analysis, and also for program effective tracking. Now, in this Julius AI, the traditional what was happening means I'm speaking, you can find out over here two concepts are there. One is of Julius AI, one is of the traditional tools. Traditional tools means let me give you over here the impact of a data analyst. Now, think for a while, if a data analyst is manually doing all these things, then it would be very much complicated for him. First thing is that he have to go out for complex commands. He need to know coding. It would be time consuming. Limited insights are there because let us consider you have already said to your analyst that you require it in the form of an Excel. After a couple of days, you find out that no, analyzing means going out for interpreting that Excel is very difficult. Instead of that, if I might have complete visualization in the form, the complete data might be visualized maybe in the form of a pie chart or a bar graph, that might be convenient for you. So what you will do then again you have to move to the data analyst and tell him that no, instead of the result exported to me in the form of an Excel, I require it to be in the form of bar graph, pie chart. So he will say you that, sir, you need to give me some more time to do that. So over here, instead of going for all those things, this tool is going to give you a deep analysis in both the formats only by giving a command. It even helps you to auto create beautiful visualization, maybe in the form of charts, graphs, dashboards generated automatically and instantly. However, traditionally, if you will say that you can find out the data analysts have to go out for manual chart creation. Creating the charts manually, it would take the data analyst a lot of time. Next, in the Julius AI, it acts as an AI agent and for automation purpose also. Automates repeated tasks Don't have to go out for doing the same task again and again. As just few seconds before I was giving to you an example that you have already given a command to your data analyst that you require, you want to import the result, you want to get the result in the form of an Excel. After a couple of days, you change your mind. You want that. No, the data should be reached to me not in the form of an Excel, but in the form of a visualization. Then what the data analyst will do? You have to rework. However, this tool, with the help of this AI tool, you need not have to worry for it. It acts as an agent. You should not think for doing the task repeatedly. Means it's a repetition of the task that once you will do it in Excel, then again converting it to visualization. So here, this tool will directly automate it, the repeated task. It would be used by everyone, for every people, starting from students to analysts to managers to researchers. Everyone can use this tool. However, during the traditional concept, an expert can only become a data analyst. When we used to hear the term data analyst, we used to understand that yes, this person might be technically sound. However, nowadays this concept is not there. Next, traditionally, it's very difficult for the collaboration. Means after analyzing, after giving so much time and effort, the data analysts sometimes become frustrated with the concept that after analyzing the data, when they have to merge it, they face trouble. They face the trouble like the versions are getting out contrasted. So that's again is a big problem for the data analyst. Again, the rework is there. Again, the repetition of work is there. However, this Julius AI tool is going to reduce this concept, reduce this complete collaboration trouble. So this is how this Julius AI is going to help us. So now I'm completely making it a bit faster about the key benefits. The key benefits is that which we have already discussed. It used to save time. It reduces errors, deeper insights, deep thinking models are there because as it's a tool of decision making, certainly it needs to be deep thinker. It is having the deeper insight and better decision making. And along with that, it increased the productivity of human being and also of the AI tools. Now, the comparison, if you will see the case comparison starting from business intelligence, academic research, financial analysis, marketing analysis, and operation management, all can be done in the one platform. In one platform, we can do all this stuff. But there are few limitations which we need to emphasize. The first thing is that data privacy. Data like sensitive data. Now, let me first show you that how this data analysis is going to work in this Julius AI tool. So now I am bringing in front of you this Julius AI. So what you need to do, you need to type, you need to go to Google. I hope my screen is visible to all of you. Can anyone give me a response?
Yes,
To my
ma'am.
screen is, yes. So you can find out that you need to directly go to Google. And here is Julius AI. You will write here Julius AI. You can find out Julius AI there in front of you. You'll click that. But first you need to log in, maybe through an email ID. As you can find out, I have logged in through my email ID. You can check it out here. And here you will give the command prompts. Like let us consider generate the complete, I'm giving now the command prompts. Generate a complete details of admission scenario of InterScience Institute of Management and Technology for the present year by using the attached Excel. Now, as I have already said you that you need to upload an Excel file. So here I am, even if uploading an Excel file. So here for this, I am uploading, let us consider this Excel file. So let this Excel file get uploaded. Now, after giving this command, I am posting it. Julius AI is now analyzing. As I have said you, it is at the back end, it is going out for the command prompts. The command prompts are in the form of Python. It is analyzing all the data. It is generating the codes. It is finalizing the things. The complete analysis is done. The analysis is in process. Before analysis, it had gone out for finding certain things. You can find out over here, and sheet is there where it has said there are BBA students, there are MBA students, there are MCA. And here it is going out for analysis. It is searching various aspects. The coding is being done at the back end. It is working. You can check out here. It is working. It is still working. Is the screen visible to all? Are you able to see the screen? Can anyone give me a response?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. You can check out the screens over here. Now it has find out the report, the analysis. See, I have already said to you in my slides that it will give you various recommendations, various concepts, various tools it will recommend out. Now see, here the report analysis has been done. Now the report, now sometimes it may happen that the head of your department, that head of the analyst will ask you, the head of your team will ask you that you need to submit a report. And he will give you, let us consider a week time that Mr. X, you need to give me the report within 3 days time. Hectic job? Yes? Can I get a response? Yes, no? Giving a report in, let us consider somebody had asked you, you are working and somebody asked you that you need to give the complete analysis, complete report within a week. Hectic task? Can anyone give me a response? Analyzing the complete thing? Are you there? Can I get a response? That isn't it. Analyzing the report will become, or writing the report will become a hectic task. Am I right? Yes, please. Am I audible to all? Am I audible to all? Can I get a response?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. So, isn't it, it's a difficult task to analyze this complete record, to write a report, again, analyzing everything, every department, every scope. Isn't it? Am I right? Yes, please. Yes, no? Analyzing a report is a hectic task. How many of you will say a yes? You can even if write in the chat box. I'm waiting for your response. Then only I will download the result of the Julius AI.
Yes, ma'am, it is difficult. It is very difficult actually.
So if analyzing all these things becomes so difficult, thank you, madam, for giving a response. Do all the participants are active over here? Yes, please. Can I get some other responses? I can find out 70 participants in front of me. Okay.
So getting this work done becomes a very hectic task. So here you can find out the complete analysis is being done by Julius AI, from starting from each semester wise, from genders also. See, here he had made the analysis of genders also. There's differentiating genders, that how many percentage of females are there, how many percentage of females had given the examination, how many percentage of males were there. So it had given you even if the percentage of males and female, then it will give you the current scenario of 26-27, that undergraduate means engineering students are how many engineering branches are there, how many students are there. Then it had went out for giving you a recommendation of the recommended admission strategy for MCA, for MBA department also, because department wise it has given the complete analysis for MBA, MCA, for BTech programs of different trains, and even if for BBA and BCA. It had even if given you some suggestions, some suggested admission funnels which you can go out for enrolling. It had made you some things downloaded, and at the end it had given you a conclusion with the average concept of the platform, with a percentage, with every percentage of every domains and how it can be implemented and what can be done. So this is the complete scenario. So this complete report also can get out downloaded. You can even download this report. It's in the downloadable format also. You just need to download the report. I'm just making the view of the report, because if I will download it again, it will consume some more time. So here you can just have a quick analysis of this complete aspect. So this is how this Julius AI works. Now I am moving to the next scenario. So now, beside this data privacy, does as you have seen in front of you, I have given some data to this tool and it has analyzed, it has given you a complete scenario, the complete curve, the data are saved. You can remove this data also. You can clean the data also. Why? Because you have logged in through your email ID. Once you log out through the email ID, remove the complete thing, remove the data, remove the Excel sheet, clean the sheet, it is again in a clean format. The most important thing is that this tool requires very internet, it is internet dependencies there in this tool. Without the internet, none of the AI tools can work properly. It's not only Julius AI. So Julius AI requires a stable internet connection. Offline users may stop your analysis. Now I'm bringing in front of you something which is very important. Now see, most of us, we may use this trial version. You can go out for this free version, that is this first point. You can go out for this free version of this Julius AI. Well, in this free version, there are very limited things are there. You can access a notebook, you can file storage, but in a day, in 24 hours, you can upload only one file if it is a free. If you go out for some of such plans of Julius AI, there are some add-ons. You can get out some add-ons things like if you go for plus, you can go out for HTML, so you can go out for chats, images, all these things are possible. Even if you can connect with Julius AI through Chrome and through ChatGPT also. So once you move upper version of the page, you will get more facilities. So this is what is the accessibility will increase if you go out for pricing level. These are some best practices. The best practices like it will clean data preparation, ensures accuracy, and give you a specific query for all AI responses. At the end, I would say that Julius AI is promising with enhanced AI models. It will give you a broader platform integration, real-time collaboration. It will redefine data analysis and will expand visualization options and make smarter decision support to the complete community. So this Julius AI is an indispensable asset for all data-driven excellence world. Now, so as we have started with this question that do Julius AI going to replace data analyst job? Now, certainly no, the answer is no. Julius AI automates repeated tasks. It is not going to replace data analyst. Rather, it is going to automate the repeated task of a data analyst. It will give, and human expertise remains essential. Here, I'm again bringing in front of you that human expertise is important. Without human moderation, none of this AI tool will work properly, will give you the right. So yes, certainly the human interference is there in this AI tool also. It even if helps, this AI tool enhances productivity, and it is not judgmental. It is not giving you any judgmental aspect. As I have said you, the predictive aspect is only 0.025. Again, there comes the interference of humanity. And the future role of data analyst is what? Now, this data analyst will increasingly become AI assisted professions. This AI tool will certainly, the post of this data analyst will become AI data analyst. Only this much changes would be there. Nothing more would be done in the position or in the post of data analyst. Your data analyst post is safe and sound. It will remain like that only. It will help, this AI tool will help you to analyze the data more easily. So now it's the quiz time. Let's see all the participants are active or not. So in order to understand whether the participant, because as per the quiz only, we are going to have the session of, we are going to go out for certification. You would be eligible for certification as soon as you respond to the quiz. So making out this certification possible, we are conducting this quiz, nothing to worry about. So let's go out for the quiz time. You can answer it in your chat box also. The answers can be given in the chat box. So this is the first question in front of you. Please give the response in your chat box. You can start responding in the chat box. Yes, please. You can start responding. You can start responding in your chat box. Question 1, you can start responding in your chat box, please. Yes, I have started getting out responses. The responses like Amina Begum is giving B. I have started getting responses in the chat
actually
box.
MBA department. Ma'am is MBA department.
Yes, I have started getting responses. Somebody is saying C. Somebody is saying B. Many of the responses are from B, with B. Someone is saying C also. Okay, so let's now check it out that what all responses we have got, it's correct or not. So I hope you can have a look that whether the response is correct or not. The response is B. that is data analysis using AI tool. So now let's move to the next scenario. The next question in front of you. Which type of files can be uploaded to Julius AI for analysis? The options are there in front of you. You can give your response. You can start responding. So let's now see which one is the correct one out of all the three options. I hope most of you have given the right answer. Yes, yes, I can find out most of you have given the right answer. Yes, you are correct. The answer is A, Excel and CSV file, which we have discussed number of times. Now, here's the third question in front of you. Which programming language does Julius AI commonly use for performing data analysis in the background? Which we have already discussed a number of times. I hope most of you would be giving the right answer. Yes, yes, correct. I have got many of the right answers in front of me. So let's now see. Yes. C, option C, we will use Python. It is using the Python as a background. You are completely correct. So now it's the time that we will move to our next AI tool. The next AI tool which we are going to discuss, we are going to explore today is Wispr Flow AI. Wispr Flow AI, what really it is about. This Wispr Flow AI is what and how it would be used. Don't this word wisp is very common to all of us? It comes from the word whisper. Certainly, you are correct. You whatever is there in your mind that it is certainly might be related to whisper. Certainly, yes, it is related to whispering. From this whispering concept only, this Wispr Flow AI had came it or come into existence. Wispr Flow AI is a workflow-centric multimodal assistant that blends speech to text. With this tool, you will speak and it will convert your speech to text. Now, how and why we should use this tool and what is the utility of this tool? Let's now check it out. It is basically used for audio to text generation. It transcribes and semantically enriches content and connects results to an automated workflow and external apps. Now, what does it mean and how it processes? Now, I will just bring a short video in front of you. Please let me know whether this sound is audible to all of you or not. Was it audible? Can anyone unmute themselves and let me know? Was that video was audible? Can anyone unmute their mic and let me know?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, it's not audible.
Is it audible now?
No, ma'am. It's not audible.
Okay. Just a second. Let me check out.
কি মালুম মোর পড়িগলা না কিছু করদেলে।
Yes, let's now check it out about this video. So I am just speaking to you in front of you that how this tool is about and what really it is working out. Let me show in front of you that how it is working out. Please let me know if my screen is visible to all of you. Is it visible? Please let me know. Anyone
Yes,
can
ma'am.
unmute themselves.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
let me now speak that what really this video is about. It is speaking about that how this AI tool would be used and what really this Wispr Flow AI is going to work out. So first, you can find out some writing in front of it, in front of the video. It is saying that once a person is moving and he might be in a very crowded place, he might be traveling, there might be noise in the bus, in the autos, or whichever transportation he or she is using, and at that moment he need to do some work. So what it had done with the help of the Wispr Flow AI, it had brought that mic closer to the person, he had spoken, and it had transcribed it. Beside that, the next object you can find out in front of you, a person is there in a coffee shop and he is bringing the mic closer to the person who is delivering the speech, who is telling out the complete order. So here it says that it understands English, not English only. It understands English only. Also, it means any of the languages it can understand and interpret. Beside that, it is emotional. In emotional aspect also, Wispr Flow AI is also working. In emotional aspect also, if a person is, let us consider in a sad mood, tired, or whatsoever might be the scenario like, it even if understand the emotions and works accordingly. So now the next concept is coming in front of you. Sometimes it happens that maybe along with some other work you want to do, you want to go out for multitasking. So along with it makes your hands free, huh? So as your hands are free, you can go out for any other objectives, but with the help of only one click, you can speak the audibility and your work is done. So here is what Wispr Flow AI is working like. So I will do one thing. I will share this complete video in your WhatsApp group so that you can, even if have an idea, I have just given you a glimpse that what really had happened in the scenario of this Wispr Flow AI. Now I am taking you to the next level of this tool about this Wispr Flow AI. So how this tool works out, or how, what really is the work of this tool? First and the foremost thing is that it is converting your audio to text. If it is converting your audio to text, then certainly there is no question of typing. Your hands are free. As your hands are free, so certainly you can do at a time, you can go out for multitasking. You can go out for multitasking. Next, with the help of this Wispr Flow AI, it can even if act as your PA, personal assistant. So now again, there might be a question, you might be having it in your mind that, do madam, all PA jobs are going to be lost? No, certainly not. No PA jobs are going to be lost. Rather, It is, again, I'm using the word moderator. It is just a moderator tool. It will convert your audibility, your audio to text, but before you certainly go out for sending the message, you can make some editing. You can go out for auto editing it by maybe through typing or whichever format you want. It is only an assistant. It will make your this typing and all the stuff reduced. It will reduce your workflow. Next, the most important thing is that this AI tool, this Wispr Flow AI, is even if a transcriptor. It will transcript. It will go out for as a translator from any of the languages. You can speak in Odia, you can speak in Hindi, in any of the languages. In last session, I was listening to the session. I was actively following the session. I find out that people have a query that how many languages, whether it understands all languages or not, can it get transcribed to all the languages or not? Yes, this Wispr AI can be translated from any languages to English as per your command. It will translate from Odia to English, English to Odia, Dutch to English, Spain to English, Spanish to English. All those things is possible in this AI app. So how this complete work, how this complete flow looks like. So the pipeline flow is something like this. You will give the voice input. The voice input is in the form of a natural language. Through an microphone, you can go out for speaking. AI speech recognition would be there. It will convert your words into text. Then language understanding is there. As I said, it acts as your interpreter. It acts as an interpreter, as an AI interpreter. It context, intent. If you have some grammar issue also, it check out the grammar. If you have framed a wrong sentence, it will reframe the sentence correctly. All these things are possible in Wispr Flow AI. Beside that, smart text and editing possibilities is there in Wispr Flow AI. The tool automatically applies punctuation, formatting, and correction with a polished sentence. Next, it instantly give you an output. The finalized text is inserted seamlessly into any application. It gets connected to any of your application. This is most important. Everyone can use it in any of the application. Maybe while writing a Gmail, you have to draft an email. In that also you can use Wispr Flow AI. You can use Wispr AI in your Microsoft Word also. You want to write something in a Word file, only by speaking, the complete writing would be done. Next, it is even if you can use it in the tools like ChatGPT, like Slack, and in any of the tools you can get connected with Flow AI. It gets easily connected to any of the tools. So through this pipeline, we understand that Wispr Flow AI transform natural speech into accurate and well-formatted text that significantly improve your productivity and work process. Now the pipeline looks something like this. You speak, your speech or your complete speaking ability gets captured in the Wispr Flow AI. Then the speech recognition occurs. AI converts speech into raw text. Then it starts go out for AI processing. See, first what you have spoken, it will write that. Then that is what is termed as raw text. That is what is this term raw text is like. After the raw text, now there comes the point of AI. What AI is now doing? Now AI start processing it. What processing it will do? Now it will correct your grammars, context, and wherever the punctuations are required, it will put down punctuations. Then it go out for formatted text. The formatted text means the completely ready text to send is in front of you. So now it is your point that where you will use, how you will use, whether you will use as an email, doc file, or you will go out for using it as a WhatsApp. You can even choose that. Next. So how, but here comes the question of installation of Wispr Flow AI. Now, you might have found out in my previous tool what I have done while I have shown you the demonstration. What I have done, I have directly moved to Google and I have written Julius AI. I opened it, I connected it to my Gmail account, and that's it. Now I am ready. However, Wispr Flow AI, you need to do what? You need to first visit the official website of Wispr Flow AI. Now I am showing you how it works like. I'm directly taking you to the screen. Please let me know if the screen is visible or not. My screen is visible to all. Can anyone give me a response?
Yes, ma'am, visible.
Okay. So what I have done in Google, I have typed Wispr Flow AI. And now what I am doing, you can find out Wispr Flow AI is there. I am just opening a tab. Now you can find out over here, you have to install it. You have to install it in your system. So get started on a window. If you will do that, if you click that. So what will happen first? Let me show you. So what will happen first? It will download the installer first. Visit the official website and then you have to download the installer of Wispr Flow AI. So you have to go out for downloading the installer. Once you download, then only you are ready to use it. So here I have to first go out for downloading it for my Windows. So here I have to download it. What is here it is asking, what are your goals with this flow? Now I need to spend less time in typing, I am saying. Okay, so now I'm moving to the next. Tell us about yourself. It is asking me, what do you do for work? Let me give it that I'm an educationalist. What is your seniority level? It is asking me. Let me give him the seniority that I am a manager. Now I am moving next. Now what I have to do, I have to connect it with my Google account. So here I am connecting it with my Google account. So I have connected it with my Google account. It is getting out connected. Now there comes the question of downloading. You can find out over here that it had already started downloading. Are you able to find it out? Yes, please. Can anyone give me a response? Are you able to see that the downloading had started? Can anyone give me a response?
No, madam.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. Are you able
Yes,
to
ma'am.
see? Here, check out my mouse here. Are you able to see it had started downloading? Yes, please. Here, you can check my cursor here.
Yes, sir. But
Yes, please. Are you able to see that it has started downloading the Wispr Flow AI setup?
No, ma'am.
Here, check the cursor here. Is it visible?
No, ma'am.
Are you able to see my screen? All of you, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, let me again reshare the complete segment. Now, is the screen is visible? Can anyone
Yes,
give me a
ma'am.
response? Okay. So
Yes.
are you able to now see this screen? This black
Yes,
one?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now see my cursor here. Are you able to see the recent download history?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you able to see just below it? It's written Wispr Flow AI setup. Visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the installer of Wispr Flow AI. So you need to install it in your system. So what will happen? First, you need to download the file and then you have to install it. And the installer had started. It will start installing in the system. See, the installing had started. This may take up 30 seconds. So installing had started. So like this, you have to install it in your system. With Flow AI, in order to use it, you have to install it in the system. It will not work automatically. You have to install it. Am I clear? Am I clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now it will take some time for installation. Let it get installed. By the time, let's move to the next perspective. So what will happen? So after you go out for installing it in the system, you have to run the installer, which is now going on. Then you have to sign in, which you have seen that I have already signed in through my personal account. Then you have to allow permission to what? To your microphone. To your microphone access, you have to give it a command that it can use your microphone. But remember one thing, while using Wispr Flow AI, you have to, every time while speaking, you have to use the Control plus window button. Again, I repeat, while speaking to the mic of Wispr Flow AI, you have to every time use the Control plus window button. Now, I am moving to the next. So what are the benefits of this Wispr Flow AI? The first benefit, as I have already discussed with you, it will save time. It will enhance your productivity. How it will enhance your productivity? If your hands are free, certainly you can do multitasking. Next thing is that it will reduce your typing stress. So no more hours of going out for spending time in your typewriter or in your keyboard typing on and on, which will give you physical strain. So that thing will be reduced. Next, it improves the accuracy. As you know, as we have already seen in our previous slide, that this AI processing will do what? It will correct grammars and also will utilize punctuation wherever required. So it will improve your accuracy. That is your point number 4. Point 5, it has an hand-free convenience. So it will allow you to work while multitasking, walking. Along with walking, you have seen in the video. Person in the gym also, they are going out for workout, and along with that, they are even if can do work of their office. So hand-free convenience. So you can do multitasking, you can go out for workout, and you can use this tool. Beside that, it is even if acting as an accessible for all, because it helps people with disabilities. That is the most important reason why this Wispr Flow AI had came into existence. This Wispr Flow AI, if I will give you a glimpse, this Wispr Flow AI is being invented by a person named as Julius, where he had said that this Wispr Flow AI he had invented only for the convenience of the community who are disabled. So beside that, Wispr Flow AI is you can use it as in anywhere in the workplace. You can use it in your laptop, in your desktop, in your mobile. You can, even if, as you have seen, you can just install it and you can use it. It enhances your learning. Students can quickly create notes, assignment, and study materials with the help of Wispr AI because it's a voice text command. And beside that, it supports multiple tasks. It supports, you can go out for multiple tasks at a time. You can go out for, it is basically used for writing emails, reports, content creation, coding, taking out notes, and even if for making out minutes of the meetings. So what are the important tasks this Wispr AI can perform? It can go out for converting voice to text, It is an AI-powered writing and editing option is possible in this Wispr AI. It gives you an hands-free workflow automation. It's completely a hands-free workflow automation. And most important thing, it is multilingual transcription and translator. It goes out for presently. This Pro AI is supporting 122 languages, which includes foreign languages like Spanish, like Dutch, all these languages, it even if transcribes. So now what are the tasks of Wispr AI we can perform? The first important thing, it can draft your email. It can draft an email for you. It can draft a message for you. The message might be in the, as I have already said, you it gets easily connected in your WhatsApp, in your Gmail. It easily gets connected. So you can use it in your email writing and also in your message writing. Next, you can use it for your documentation purpose. Let us consider you have to write a report. You can directly speak to Wispr AI and it will start drafting your report. So it can draft your report, it can draft your project proposals, and also it acts as your PA, which will take all your dictations. Next, it can be used in meetings as a note taker. It can be used in the meetings as a note taker. Now sometimes it happens that the meeting is on process and as you are in the meeting, you forget to take notes. At that moment, if you can use this Flow AI, it will take all the meeting follow-ups and will generate your meeting note ready in front of you as soon as the meeting is over. So it's not that you have to, after meeting, you will take 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 days to write the meeting note. Rather, with the help of Wispr AI, you will just make the mic on of Wispr AI. You will press Control and Window button and the meeting notes are ready in front of you. Next, it acts like a study. Even if helps in the study and education, it is helpful for the lecturers also, for the faculties also, and also for the students. In both the ends, this Wispr AI can help. For student community, it helps them for the notes, for note taking, and for the lecturers, it helps them for preparing note. Next, it even if acts like for the research and for the researchers also. How? Now let us consider you went to your guide and your guide had given you some suggestion about your article. While he had given suggestion, some notes, there are possibilities that some notes you skip up, something which he or she had spoken while writing or while taking out the notes, you might have skipped certain points. But over there, if you will use Wispr AI, while your guide is speaking out, you can just make the mic on and everything would be recorded over there. So that's also possible in Wispr AI. Now you may say to me that, Madam, instead of using Wispr AI, can't I make the complete recording of Madam's voice? Yes. Now here, the difference between the ordinary making the mic on and taking the note and Wispr AI is that Wispr AI will make your complete recording, complete voice text ready to the text form in the form of a note taking with correction of grammars and with punctuation and framing proper sentences. So that is possible in only Wispr AI, not in your voice recording. Next, it acts as a content creation. It acts as a content creation. How? Because it helps the bloggers to take out the complete, to give them the concept. You will give the concept to the Wispr AI by speaking, and Wispr AI will convert the concept into a blog format. You just have to give it a command that I require this complete note which I have spoken to you in the form of a blog. and I want to post it in Facebook, in WhatsApp, in whichever. So that's also possible in Wispr Flow AI. Next, it acts, it even if helps you in the presentation, it can create slide content for you. It will generate bullet points and taking out notes, and it even if prepare presenter script in fraction of seconds. It even if helps for the coder, for the coding community also it helps, like in coding and technology task also. You just need to the code. Now here comes, you just need to dictate the code. You might have find out in the video I was showing to you, while the person went to the shop, to a coffee shop, the person was speaking not in English, but in English. Why I said English? Because it's the combination of Hindi and English. So Wispr AI is having the ability to, even if making out a separation with English and Hindi, and as per your command, it will convert your Hindi to English. So in the similar manner, it even if helps in the coding text also. A coder need to speak the code, and the code would be there in front of them. If there is some error he or she is speaking in the code, it even if detect the error, it detects the error in the code and go out for converting into the right form of the coding. Beside that, it acts as a personal productivity, which I have said you. It acts like your PA, a personal assistant, and it at the end, it acts like a translator from any of the languages. It can translate to the language what you want. Now, what really this Wispr Flow AI is, how really this Wispr Flow AI is better than that of any other AI voice taking tools. Let's now check it out. So because it might be there in your mind that why to use Wispr Flow AI instead of this Google voice typing, Microsoft Dictate, ChatGPT also is having a voice command, madam. So now let me bring in front of you that first, let's see. Let me now give you a similarization with this Chat GPT voice and Whisper, because I hope Chat GPT is mostly being used by people in this voice command. So in Whisper AI, you can find out that automatic and advanced real-time correction for perfect writing. So same thing is available even if in Chat GPT, it also provides advanced AI correction. But again, here I would like to bring in front of you that in the beginning of my session, I have said that in ChatGPT and in many of the AI tools, you can find out at the end, there is something written that ChatGPT can also make errors. ChatGPT can also generate mistakes. So if think for a while, you have given a command in ChatGPT voice and you have posted it without checking it out, because once you will say it will just go in the flow. But however, in Wispr AI, it will not be sent at an instant. Rather, it will first type it and it would be there in front of you. It requires human moderation, human interference. If the AI had committed any mistake, you can make changes then and there on, which is possible in the form of Wispr AI. In Wispr AI, it acts like a smart formatting, punctuation, and capitalization. Sometimes you find out in ChatGPT also, it's a common thing, common mistake we find out that just before certain words, certain punctuation, where there is no requirement of a punctuation, there is a punctuation, which is generating some problem in the while you go out for analyzing the text. However, Wispr AI will remove this concept, remove this type of error utilization of punctuation. The most important thing is that in ChatGPT, there is limited ChatGPT platform and compatible apps are there. However, in Wispr Flow AI, you can find out there is highest productivity, and you can use this Wispr Flow AI. You can connect this Wispr Flow AI in any of the tools. It may be, as I have said, you are going out for, let us consider you want to go out for your Gmail. You just have to install Wispr Flow AI and use it in your Gmail. In Gmail, you will just give the command and it will start typing. It will take out your type and go out for framing your draft email ready for you. So that's why we can use Wispr Flow AI. I am choosing the term can because as per the requirement, we will use it. Next. Now, again, I am coming to the pricing concept. Certainly, it is not a beta version. Wispr Flow AI is not now running in the beta version. It's already in the market. So it is having certain pricing. In the free model, some basic things are there. In the free concept, you will get some very nominal access which there. As you can find out, you just have find out that I have downloaded Wispr Flow AI. It's just a trial version. Again, I repeat, you can try Wispr AI only for 7 days. 7 days you can use Wispr AI free. And again, with some limitations. The limitations is there. You can upload, you can download only one file a day. Not much. However, if you go out for paid version like pro plans, like premium, the facilities will slowly and steadily increase. Like in pro plan, you will get facility like you want to remember one of your friend's birthday. You have given the command to Wispr AI to give a voice text to you, voice message to you that on 10th of August, your friend's birthday is there. So it will give you a voice command to you. It will remember, it will recognize, and it will give you a voice command. That's possible in Pro plan. If you go for the premium plan, some added things like not only it will make you remind that your friend's birthday is there on 10th of August, rather if you will give a command to Wispr AI that on 10 o'clock on 10th August at 10 o'clock, you need to make a call to your friend named X. It will even if go out for calling your friend. That's possible in premium plan. So like that, as much as you increase the plan, you will get more facilities of this Flow AI. Now it's the time of quiz before we wind up our today's session. So here's the first question in front of you. So please respond back to the quiz in order to make you eligible for certification. The first question. What is the primary purpose of Wispr AI? There are 4 options in front of you. Please start responding. You can respond in your chat box. I have started receiving responses. Some are very correct. We have discussed it a number of times during the session. So here is the right answer. Many of you are correct. Very good. It converts voice to text dictation and writing assistance. Now I'm moving to the next question. The question is, what is the main input method used by Wispr AI? There are 4 options in front of you. Please find out the most appropriate one. You can respond in your chat box. Nice. I have started getting responses. Please respond the quiz. All should respond the quiz. because that will make you eligible for certifications. Very nice. Many of you have given the very correct answer. And yes, you are correct. The right answer is voice commands. Now I am moving to the next question. Which of the following is a key benefit of using Wispr Flow AI? There are 4 options in front of you. Please find out the correct one. I have already spoken that term a number of times during the session. I hope most of you will give the right answer. Yes, many of you are correct. Here is the right answer. Option B, it improves productivity by enabling hands-free writing. So here I rest with my session. Here are few ways in which we can use Wispr Flow AI, which I have discussed with you. That Wispr Flow AI can assist in professional writing, academic work, presentation, reports, meeting and research work also. By giving prompts only, we can make the task easier for us, and the prompts, just in Julius AI, we have seen we have to write the prompt. However, in Wispr Flow AI, instead of writing, you can only speak. So many AI tools with many facilities are there in front of us. So with this, I rest. But before I wind up our today's session, let me give you one very important aspect about this AI tools. There's a very popular saying in Gita, in Bhagavad Gita. It has been said in Lord Krishna that if I am the creator, I am also the destructor. So in the similar manner, AI haven't created human beings. Human beings had created AI. So if human being can create AI, it can even destroy AI. If you will use it in the best manner, it will be act as a creator for you. You can use it as a creator. And if you will make it only for the utility and you will misuse AI, then certainly you are responsible for your own destruction. With this, I rest today with this day 4 session. Anyone having any question, any feedback for today's session can respond back. I'm there. Participants, students, researchers, any questions, you can respond back. I have got a question from someone named from Lambodar that ma'am, Julius AI advanced version of Power BI. Yes, it has an advanced version of Power BI. And in this advanced version of Power BI, which is a pro plan, which you have to purchase over there, you can use it as for the analysis of customer behaviors also, for emotional analysis also, and even for the sales data, inventory trends, and marketing effectiveness also. Yes, it has a Power BI. I hope I have replied back to Lambodar. Any questions from the audience, from the participants? They can ask, they can respond back if they want. If they are not convenient for speaking, they can even if write it in the chat box. I am also there, available in your WhatsApp group also. If you are not convenient here, you can even if respond back to the group. You can speak on the group. Yes, please. So shall we consider that today's session we will wind up here, or if you have any questions, anyone can respond back. Yes, please. Okay. So our coordinator is there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I am here. I think your session is over now, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, madam. So
Okay.
I rest here.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. On behalf of all participants, I would like to express our sincere gratitude to our speaker, Mrs. Soma Mitra, for today's insightful session on Julius AI and Wispr Flow AI. Thank you so much, ma'am. And your clear explanation, practical demonstration, and valuable insights have helped us in better understand that how these AI tools can enhance productivity, data analysis, and workflow automation. Thank you, ma'am, for taking the time to share your knowledge and answer our question with patience and enthusiasm. We truly appreciate your effort in making this session engaging and informative. I would also like to thank all the participants for your active involvement and interest throughout today's workshop. Before we conclude, I warmly invite everyone to join us for tomorrow's online session, which will be the fifth day of our workshop. We look forward to your enthusiastic participation as we continue exploring more exciting topics and learning together. Once again, thank you, our speaker, Mrs. Soma Mitra, and thank you, everyone present today here. Wishing you all a wonderful day. See you tomorrow in the next session. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, all the participants.